Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting by prepping the headset. You need it off and unplugged. First, grip the ear cup rim and pull outward at one point to free the retention lip. Use a plastic pry if tight. Work clockwise while holding the housing steady. This prevents stress on the drivers. Once half the cup is free, slide the cushion away from the mounting ring and expose the internal clip track. Make sure you save any spacer or washer pieces you find because they're important when reassembling. Now remove the old pad by peeling it evenly from the retention ring. Don't yank one side hard, because that can loosen internal clips. Once removed, use a lint-free cloth dampened with 70% isopropyl to clean the mounting ring and surrounding surface. This helps adhesive seating and prevents noise. Inspect the plastic clips and foam for damage. Replace foam if it's crushed. When the ring is dry, align the new pad seam to the microphone side. This ensures correct fit and microphone clearance. Place the new pad over the mounting ring and press evenly around the circumference. You should hear or feel each clip engage. Once seated, rotate the pad slightly to confirm it locks into the housing. Reattach the ear cup by aligning the housing tabs and snapping it back into place. Make sure the microphone boom and cable clear the seam. Test audio and microphone at low volume. If you hear rubbing or static, reseat the pad and clean the ring again, because dirt or a misaligned.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.